so this song, from the time I was a kid, my mom used to sing it. You know, she just used to say that. My grandmother, she sang me quite a number of songs that they used to hear from their parents when they're growing up in the rural areas. But the one that fascinated me a lot was this one. I might mix up the words, to be honest. I don't know if I know all the words.
Isn't that what happens with folk music? They might change.
Yeah. I'll probably start come up, but I will research that. She sent me a voice note with the with the actual words, but I think it was something like I don't remember the words. So it's like a cycle, it's like a story actually, just going between those two little lines, something like that,
Yeah, so I heard that, I think you started like the third time, did you go through the song? What's just the main, just do the main part once.
Yeah, once, yes, it's, I don't even know how to start it. I think it's like da 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 da. Uyundiani, 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 na 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 da 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 like that, yeah. But I heard. So what actually? The time I sent a voice of my mom asking her to send it to me, I was going through Juju Manega's album, and then I heard that song. That is, I remember this. So I asked her, and she then sent me. So I know it's Juju Manega's one of her albums. She did like a version of it,
We'll be able to find the name of what she called it.
Yeah, because I remember I found that on iTunes. I don't think she's got a lot of albums. So if I just go through the albums, they'll be able to spot the song. Then I'll
that would be good
to
hear it.
Yeah. But it's such a and the fascinating thing about it, it's like a story. The whole song is like a story, so you'll be laughing as you go. But it's also very comic in certain sections. Yeah.